So today we're going to talk about how to repack the LEVR Escape System. As shown here, this lightweight and compact system is contained in the hip bag. It's an envelope style bag, so deployment can be done by simply pulling the flash hook out of the packed bag. If we open the flap, we can see the different components and how they're arranged within the bag. The escape web is neatly flaked inside the main pouch of the bag, and the descender as well as the flash hook are captured by this elastic band, and the flash hook is additionally secured by a piece of Velcro on the side. This bag can be loaded either direction, which allows it to be carried on either side of the body depending on the preference. All right, so after performing a bailout evolution, there'll be likely some web that's paid out according to the distance of the descent between the flash hook and the descender, and there'll likely be some amount of web left in the bag. We'll want to pull that out in order to have a nice, clean, organized space to repack the bag. First thing to look at is the tail of the web, and the tail comes pre-rigged with a stopper knot at the end. If for some reason you need to redo this knot, it's simply a figure eight. So we can tie a figure eight into the end and make sure that we have about 3 inches of tail on that figure eight stopper knot. And this is of course to prevent you from falling off the end of the line if you descend a long distance. So the next step is to set the distance between the FlashLite hook and the descender. We want to have the descender very close to the hook. That allows us to anchor at the windowsill without having too much slack in the system, and also allows the components to be packed neatly inside the bag. So the easiest way to pull web back through the system is to hold the LEVR Descender in one hand and simply pull web through towards the FlashLite hook, effectively resetting the system. The distance, we'll need some amount of distance here in order for things to go into the bag appropriately. And we want to shoot for a distance that's about 1 inch between the end of the lever handle and the attachment location on the flash hook. So I'm just going to pull it just a little bit more until we see about 1 inch of distance here if the two pieces are aligned as shown. Okay, so the next step is to repack the web and put it into the main pouch of the pocket. It's important that this is done in a very clean way so that the web can deploy without any issues. We want to do that by flaking the web in our hand, and we want to set the size of the flakes to be just a little bit narrower than the width of this bag. So this bag is about 8 inches wide, and if we use about 7 inches for our flake size, we'll make sure that it fits snugly into the bag. So we start with the knot end of the web and start creating successive flakes, laying them on top of the previous flake and holding them in place with our fingers. As we're doing this, we can feel the web with our other hand and visually inspect it for any damages or debris that may have ended up on the web during our last evolution. So once we get to a point where our hand is relatively full, it's time to stuff the first packed section into the bag. An easy way to make sure that the knot end mates up with the very bottom of the bag is actually to switch hands and then place this first packed section, knot end first, into the bag. Once that's in, we continue making flakes in a similar manner until all of the web has been flaked up and is ready to be inserted. Okay, so now I've gotten to the end of the system. I'm going to switch hands again to make sure that this next loop here, which is the first loop of the second stack, sits right on top of the web that's already in the bag. Okay, so now that the web is neatly flaked inside the bag, the next step is to insert the LEVR Descender and the FlashLite Hook onto the front panel of the bag. These two components can be loaded facing either direction depending on which way the bag will be carried. We'll show it here facing to the left. The first step is to take the LEVR Descender and insert it handle first into the middle elastic pocket. So we just slide it in until it's approximately centered on the bag. And then to fit the FlashLite hook, we want to make sure that there's a clean run of web from the descender to the hook, and fold the sewn eye over so it sits on top of the hook, and then slide the hook into the elastic, the lowest elastic pocket on the bag. To prevent this hook from coming out during regular wear, there's a Velcro keeper that's sewn on either side of the bag. So you want to use the one that's facing and pass it underneath the hand slot in the FlashLite hook and secure it in place. Any additional web that's coming off the descender can be neatly tucked on top, and the whole flap can be closed to finish packing the system. So the system is now ready to wear and ready for another bailout.
CMC. Rescue, Safety, Access.